This could just be the most exciting keyboard here at Computex 2023. KLC is actually here in this trade show and they brought in the brand new Nori Spring Rider, a budget-oriented keyboard with a pretty interesting mounting system. Now, unlike many other keyboards in the market now which uses a gasket mounting system, the Nori Spring Rider uses a coil spring suspension system which is actually patented to KLC. The result is a pretty soft typing experience with quite a bit of flex and a rather quiet sound profile, much to our surprise. By default, it comes with Gateron Pro Yellow V2 switches which are pre-looped from the factory, and it comes with Linkworks keycaps in either black or beige. Aside from that, it also has a plastic polycarbonate body, an aluminum plate, and 3 different connectivity options, either wireless via Bluetooth and a 2.4 GHz dongle, or of course wired. As for pricing and availability, it is set to be available sometime in June or July on drop.com. It will be priced $179 and for the first month of sale, or rather pre-sale, there will be a special discount, though it has not been revealed yet. And that is the KLC Nori Spring Rider. It's certainly a very exciting budget-oriented keyboard. Even though at $179 it may seem a bit much, but you are getting fantastic value for money given the fact that you're getting Linkworks ABS keycaps here. We were told that the Spring Rider will not be the only keyboard under the new Nori series, and expect more keyboards with different form factors and maybe even different material options in the future. And that's it for this video. The Spring Rider is certainly an interesting keyboard and we cannot wait for it to go on sale either later this month or next month. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and always stay tuned for more good stuff to come here on this channel and nextrif.com.